Thank you for your interest in Kelsoft Time-Ade. This video will cover the initial setup tasks of creating users and establishing timesheet periods. I'm assuming you already have a QuickBooks company and you've connected that company to Time-Ade with the QuickBooks Web Connector. And I'll bring that up as well. There's the Web Connector. How you would set up the Web Connector is covered in a separate video. I'm going to run the Web Connector. Make sure I pick the right QuickBooks company, which matches the one there. And I'm going to upload the latest data from that QuickBooks company into Time-Ade. With that done, we can now log into Time-Ade as the admin user. First, we're going to create a timesheet period definition. This can be weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. You can create as many different definitions as you need. For instance, you may want to have your employees on a weekly cycle and your subcontractors on a monthly cycle. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and create weekly for both. And I'll give it a start date at the beginning of this month. So it'll run from the 1st to the 7th, and the next one will start on the 8th. Next, we're going to identify which of the vendors uploaded from QuickBooks is a subcontractor on the Define Subcontractors page. I just have two vendors in this example company, and I'm going to pick Kelsoft as a subcontractor. Click the Assign button, and that's completed. We'll go back to the timesheet period definition we created and verify that it's been assigned to the employees and subcontractors. So we need to pick all the employees and assign it to that timesheet period definition. The last thing we'll do here is to assign user logins to our employees and subcontractors. Our first user is going to be for Jane Smith, and we'll pick her from this list, create a password, we can skip the Active Directory domain because we're not using Active Directory authentication here. And we'll give Jane an email address and all the privileges to run Time-Ade. And she's an administrator, so she won't need the admin account to log in to do this stuff that we're doing here right now. Transfers time to accounting, project manager, staff manager, and as the owner of this company, she gets to approve her own timesheet. We'll save that, and we'll add another one for William Jones. And William Jones is not going to have any special privileges. He will just be entering time. No need to review timesheets or anything else. And finally, we will enter in one for the subcontractor example, Kelsoft. Give it a demo email address. And at this point, we've done some initial setup tasks. We've created the users and linked them up with the employees and the subcontractors. The next video will cover charge categories, projects, and timesheet charges, and complete the initial setup. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.kelsoft.com.